Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how we can set the status on Discord. Also, I wonder why you want to set the status on Discord. It is because you want to indicate the people about your availability on Discord app so nobody will irritate you if you're not using it or if you're online or if you have on the do not disturb mode. Or maybe there's any other reason for you to enable or set the status on Discord. So in this video I'll show you how easily you can do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing, you have to make sure you have already installed Discord app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it, then you can install it from Google Play or App Store. And once you install it, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. So you just have to simply tap on a Discord app icon and it will open. And once it will open, you will see its interface. You will see different options. Now what you have to do is, from all these options you have to click on your profile icon, which is on the right bottom side of the screen. You can also see your profile avatar on it. You just have to simply tap on it and then you will get into your profile, and from there we will see how you can set your availability status on Discord app. So just simply tap on it. So here you can see we have different options, and we have the first option which says set status. So through this option we can easily set our status. So to check how many statuses are available here, you just have to simply click on it and then all the status options will pop up. As you can see, we have 4 to 5 options: online, idle, do not disturb, and invisible, and at the last we have set a customized one. So when you're online and you're in the mood to talk or communicate with people, so you can select the first option, and with the help of third option you will not get any notification because it will be set as do not disturb. And with the help of the fourth option, it will make yourself invisible, not online or not even the offline. And with the help of the last option you can set your customized status. So here we have different times. If you select any one of these, and if you have selected any status, and that status will be set according to these times. So whichever is most preferable for you, you can select it. You just have to simply tap on it and that option will be selected. It is actually a timer for the options you have selected. We have the 4 options that we saw on the front page, but this option will allow you to set a timer on that options. So here you can select any one of these options, whatever is useful for you. Just have to simply tap on it and that option will be selected and it will come up to your profile. As you can see, like we have these options here. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can set the status on Discord. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.